My name is Alauddin Bhyuian, and I'm the founder and CEO of iHealthScreen, the company I founded in 2015. And I started with the company with NIH funding, small business grants, and we offer diabetic retinopathy screening, age-related macular degeneration screening, and glaucoma. And also, we had another product on stroke prediction, stroke and heart disease prediction. So both of them are supported by NIH SBI grants. So we know that when the patient come to see you, most of you are ophthalmologists, they are they have the problem, permanent problem, like negative lines. So our focus is to take this to the primary care clinic and screen them, identify them in the early stage, and then refer them to you if needed, if referable. Like for macular degeneration, if it is in the intermediate stage, for diabetic retinopathy, if it is in the severe stage. So right now, we don't have many, screening tool. Only one FDA-approved, technology, IDX. And which is also based on very expensive cameras. So we are offering, with cheaper camera, fully automated system. So our accuracy for diabetic retinopathy and age-related macular degeneration is 98% and above. And for stroke screening is above 70%. And overall CVD is above 80%. So we are beating most of the, Framingham score, CHAT score, which are the famous score for stroke, and also IDXGR. We validated the system with the multiple data sets, the largest data sets in the world for ERIC study, Mexico, cable, all these famous macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy studies. And for stroke, it's MESA and UK Biobank. So how we are offering to the in terms of the business model is we take the reimbursement per patient screening and we split with the primary care physicians. So what we have achieved so far is we offering multiple disease screening, and all of them are based on NIH fundings, and we had externally validated with the largest data sets in the world. And of course, we achieved great accuracy. We are in the phase 2 of the AMD prediction. In fact, we are the first, AMD prediction model. In 2018, Argo, it was a featured work. You can see my interview, at Argo. And we are part of the Startup New York program, and we have done the customer segment determination. More than 100 primary care physicians based on NIH ICOR program, national base. We have one US patent already, and we have 3 PCT applications on various pathology and esophageal analysis. We had 2 FDA pre-submission meetings. We had the indication of the referable and non-referable, approval based on prospective trial. And we had a great team already. We hired the CFO and also commercial lead from who got publicly traded company experience. And right now we are looking for funding for $5 million for clinical trial of diabetic retinopathy and age-related macular degeneration screening. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Alauddin.
Just one question, and again, Alauddin probably has the longest shoestring I've seen, because he has really put together a phenomenal strategy of getting a lot of SBIR grants and public grants to fund his ideas. And you came out of academia. So can you tell us a little bit, how hard was it to say, I'm not going to stay in academia, I'm going to really go out there and be an entrepreneur? I mean, that's a big switch. How is it now looking back a year or 2 later?
Yeah, I think I didn't tell you, I couldn't sleep 3 nights for the decision. I was a full-time faculty in computer science teaching, and my first SBIR grant didn't go after 1 year. I was still in the position of where I kind of started, So I thought, what I wanted to see myself, after 2 years. Because it was a great opportunity. The grant I got from NIH, it's a great scope for me to try something, which I believe. So think answer to your question is how hard it was hard to give up your daily job. It's a secure university job. University jobs are least paid, but best job in the world. Yeah, and
So hopefully in the after hours, I know that the inflection point for Alauddin now is capital to go to the next stage and really, the things we can offer here in terms of clinical database, and it's really important for those companies. The beautiful thing about AI is the path is very linear now. The FDA has a very set path of what it takes to do it, and there is also reimbursement codes, which we didn't have before. I remember telemedicine about 10, 15 years ago, everybody talked about it, but you can't do anything because there was really no money into it. In fact, we developed the first virtual device, the virtual perimeter device, the peristat, over here, about 15 years ago. And I wanted to make it into a business, and then I looked and there was no business case for it. So then, 20 years ago, we decided to just turn it into a digital health foundation. Now, I think we're in a different place. All of that thing becomes really relevant, and the time for these technologies has come. So, good luck, guys. It's going to be very interesting, and I'm very happy to be involved in helping you on the sidelines and really be a conduit to New York INEA, Mount Sinai clinical talent and everything here to help you to enable that, because these are companies here from New York that are doing that, and I definitely want New York to succeed, not Dubai. All right.
Thanks a lot.